Okay, so let's get started again with our next exercise, assigning administrative roles in Entra ID. So this is the scenario, I'll just read it. You need to review and modify the current administrative roles for your tenant. You have been provided a list of users should have administrative roles assigned as indicated in the following table. So these are the users. We simply need to assign them roles like global administrator, user administrator, and help desk admin. So let's get started. I'm already on the server one. So okay, enter ID, roles and admin. So I'll just need to navigate to the roles and admins. There it is. Okay, so this here I will be able to see the all the roles which are present in the admin center. I'll search for the global administrator, which is considered as the most big role. I mean, the most powerful role, which has access to each and every tenant. This is like a master role, which has all the permissions. So in the production scenario, we are supposed to not give this role to everyone as it creates a security risk, right? And the hackers can be attacking to these people if we have multiple global administrators. So there is a security risk. So it is recommended to minimize these roles. So as few as possible in a company environment. So let's get started. I'll just click on this. Add, what is it saying? Okay, so we are inside this role. Let's go to, okay, eligible assignment, active assignments, and this is the expired assignments. So I'll need to go to add assignments. So basically we are assigning this role to a member. Now we'll just click on no member selected and manually select a member, which is Alan DeYoung. Here it is. Select. And anything else I need to do? Let me just quickly go through these steps. Okay, so nothing else. So this will be as it is. Assign. So the same way I'll assign a user administrator role. User admin. See here, you can also read what this role can do. This is a privileged, can manage all aspects of users and groups, including resetting passwords for limited admins. Just open it, click on assignment, click on members, and the member here it is for user admin Reeve. Select next. Permanently eligible. Okay, so this is one is done. One more to go. The help desk administrator. Can reset passwords for non-administrators and help desk administrators. So I'll just open it, click on this, no members, select members, and this time Miranda Snyder. Select, next, permanently assign. This one I'll just take a look, select the assignment type, eligible and active. So I'll just go with the defaults because it is not specifically mentioning anything, any changes here. So I'll leave it as it is. Great. Miranda, okay. Assign. So all three assignments have been done. Here you can see assigning role to member. 3 users have been assigned 3 roles. So exercise 3, let me just quickly check it. I'll just start it in the next video.